recipe of a crispy breaded chicken fillet delicious burger, and of course with some fries. Let's go. So here are the ingredients. I'm gonna go through it one by one so you guys know what is required to make the perfect breaded, juicy and delicious chicken fillet burger. Let's go. We need some burger buns. I'm using brioche burger buns because they're just tasty. Tomato, of course. Let's not forget chicken breast. So we need 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, panko seasoning for breadcrumbs, some lettuce or iceberg, and I'm using sliced pepper jack cheese because this is my favorite cheese. I eat this every day, and especially with the chicken burger, love it. Must try. For our sauce, we need jalapeno peppers, Dijon mustard, and let's not forget mayonnaise and ketchup. Last but not least, French fries. Okay, so we are all set with our ingredients. Let's go.